Ready to turn that blank canvas into a digital masterpiece using Adobe Photoshop. First, let's create a new document by going to File and clicking New. Choose your desired dimensions and resolution. A higher resolution is preferable for print. The brush tool is your digital pen, located on the toolbar. Selected, and start adjusting brush size and hardness from the top toolbar. Experiment to see what feels right for you. The harder the brush, the more define the edges. Now, let's get drawing. Start sketching out your idea. Don't be afraid to experiment and erase using the eraser tool. It's right below the brush tool. Remember to use various brush sizes for versatility. Want to keep your sketch separate? Create a new layer in the Layers panel. This allows for easy edits and corrections. If you make a mistake, simply use the Undo shortcut on your keyboard. Next, let's add color and details. Select your desired color from the color picker. Use the Paint Bucket tool or brush tool at various opacities to fill in areas and create shadows and highlights. Congratulations, your digital illustration is complete. Photoshop is amazing, and now you can start drawing confidently. Like and subscribe for more digital art tutorials.